In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add overlays in Clipchamp, step by step. Overlays are a powerful way to make your videos more engaging by adding effects, graphics, shapes, animations, or visual elements on top of your main footage. Whether you're creating YouTube videos, social media content, tutorials, or presentations, overlays can instantly make your edits look more professional. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important tips. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy Clipchamp tutorials. Let's get started. First, open Clipchamp and go to any project of your choice. You can either create a new project from the home screen or open an existing one that you're currently working on. Once your project loads, you'll see the timeline at the bottom and the preview window in the center. This is where all your editing will take place. Make sure you already have your main video clip added to the timeline before adding an overlay, because overlays sit on top of your existing footage. Next, go to the left-hand sidebar and click on Content Library. The Content Library is where Clipchamp stores built-in assets like stock videos, audio, graphics, backgrounds, and overlays. When you click on it, you'll see different categories you can browse through. This is where you'll find ready-made design elements that you can quickly add to your video without creating anything from scratch. After opening the Content Library, click on Overlays. This section contains various overlay styles, including light leaks, gradients, shapes, animated graphics, and other visual effects. Take a moment to scroll through the available options. You can preview any overlay by hovering over it to see how it looks before adding it to your project. This helps you choose something that matches your video's theme and style. Once you've found an overlay you like, click and drag it directly onto the timeline. Make sure you place it on a track above your main video clip. This is very important because overlays need to sit on a higher layer in order to appear on top of your footage. If you place it on the same layer or below your video, it won't be visible. After dragging the overlay into the timeline, you can adjust its length by clicking and dragging the edges of the overlay clip. This allows you to control how long the overlay appears on screen. For example, you might want it to show for just a few seconds during a transition, or you might want it to last throughout the entire video. You can also click on the overlay in the timeline to customize it further. Use the Properties panel to adjust settings like opacity, blending, position, or size if those options are available. Lowering the opacity can make the effect more subtle and professional, while resizing allows you to position the overlay exactly where you want it on the screen. If you want multiple overlays, simply repeat the same process. Go back to the Content Library, choose another overlay, and drag it onto a new track above your existing layers. Clipchamp allows you to stack multiple overlays for more advanced visual effects. Once you're happy with how everything looks, preview your video in the playback window. Watch carefully to make sure the overlay appears at the right time and doesn't distract from your main content. If needed, adjust the timing or positioning until it looks perfect. And that's it. That's how you add overlays in Clipchamp quickly and easily. As you can see, it only takes a few clicks, and it can dramatically improve the quality of your videos. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Clipchamp editing guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.